OMY3 troubleshooting. Let's learn about some basic troubleshooting mechanisms for solar pumps. Problem 1. Surface pump is vibrating during operation. Reason: the surface pump is not fixed properly with the mounting structure or ground. Solution: fix the pump using nuts and bolts and tighten the joints. Once the loose joints are fixed, then the vibration stops during pump operation. Problem 2. Water not coming out of the pump even though voltage reading is optimum on pump controller. Reason: this happens due to inoperative pump, which is caused by various reasons. 1. Pump being jammed by mud and dirt. 2. Wiring or connection problem. 3. Damaged pump motor winding. Solution: if the pump is jammed, then it has to be cleared by a technician and re-operated. If there is faulty wiring or loose connection, then the wiring needs to be repaired or replaced. If there is damaged winding in the motor coil, then the damaged portion needs to be replaced. Problem 3. Short circuit in pump. Reason: short circuit happens due to improper or damaged insulation of cable connections. Short circuit and jammed pump impeller is shown in the pump controller display. Solution: firstly, the location of the short circuit needs to be identified. Then, the particular portion of the cable needs to be replaced with a new cable. If the short circuit happens in the winding of the motor coil, then the coil needs to be changed. Problem 4. Reduction in water supply through delivery pipe. Reason: the pipe has too many turns or cascades before delivering water to the field, or the pipe has some blockages due to accumulation of mud or dirt. Solution: remove the debris from the pump filter and reposition the hose to start pumping again. Problem 6. Water flow pressure is low. Reason: the delivery pipe diameter is larger than the pump output pipe diameter or nozzle diameter. Solution: use a delivery pipe of the same diameter as the output pipe or nozzle. Problem 7. Delivery pipe is over bulging or bursts. Reason: the delivery pipe diameter is smaller than the pump output pipe diameter or nozzle diameter, causing friction loss. Solution: use a delivery pipe of the same diameter as the output pipe or nozzle. Problem 8. Motor is running in opposite direction. Reason: water pumps are designed to operate with the impeller going in one direction. If it is going in the opposite direction, then there is an opposite connection between the controller and the pump. Solution: the direction of connection needs to be changed. Problem 9. PV system not producing power, controller not turning on. Reason: first, PV module failure. Second, pump controller out of order. Third, wire loose or damaged by birds, rodents, or during soil preparation. Solution: in case of complete module failure, individual modules are checked and the faulty modules are removed. Also, the MC4 connectors need to be checked for loose connections. In case the pump controller is out of order, the wires in the controller need to be tightened or reconnected if they have fallen out. If the controller still does not work, it has to be taken to the service center. In case of damage to the cable connections, they need to be replaced or repaired. Also, care should be taken to ensure minimum physical damage to cables due to these external factors. The entire PV system is down or does not produce power. This may be related to a problem with the inverter. Problem 10. The PV system output is less than expected. Water coming in bursts from delivery pipe. Reason: there can be several reasons for PV system output being lesser than optimum levels. Initially, if module is not properly cleaned. Also, if there is a shadow on the PV module. Then, if there is any loose connection in MC4 connectors. Last, controller settings were adjusted wrong. Solution: clean the modules every week with clean water. The modules should be placed such that no shadow falls on them. In case shadow is persistent, the modules need to be relocated elsewhere. In case one panel is damaged in parallel connection, that module needs to be replaced. Loose connections need to be checked and replaced in case of any damage. Lastly, pump controller settings need to be checked and adjusted such that solar PV output remains optimally used. Problem 11. Pump controller or controller box giving out electric shocks. Reason: improper earthing or earthing connection. Solution: first, check the wires and insulate them properly, ensuring no naked wire is touching the controller box. Second, check earthing connection, that is, whether the earth wire is properly inserted in the ground and also connected to the pump controller. Third, check the earthing using an earth meter, and if the reading is more than 1 OHM, add more earthing chemical compounds and water till the reading reaches below 1 OHM.